I can equip my unit with a heater if it needs it. It can be gas, it can be electric, it can be hot water. If you need to take really low outdoor air temperatures up to a condition that when mixed achieve the dew point temperatures that you want, all of that can be built into the sequence of operation and the design of the unit itself. It's like any other dedicated outdoor air system. You would just onboard it with all the componentry and the sequences that you need to achieve the conditions you want year round.